Hello guys, I am Ijaz and you watch to my YouTube channel and with Ijaz. 35 ideas for YouTube channel in 2022. If you don't know what type of channel to create, consider these ideas to find the option for you. These ideas will be relevant and popular in 2022, and for each idea you can find a way of monetization. The main thing you should come up with is finding your niche. It's best to focus on a narrow theme and try to cover all aspects of it, bringing as much value as possible. Stick to your niche, keep creating video consistently, learn how to promote them you success. There are so many examples of YouTube bloggers who started late in 2019 and have got millions of subscribers in no time. It's not too late if they can do it. Surely you can too. Let's dive into the list. Number 1, planners. People love to learn how to get more organized and get things done. There are also many options to focus on. You can review different planning systems to teach how to make plan for literally every part of life. Show how to make and use a work planner, a household routine planner, a fitness planner, and plenty of others. You can design custom planners and sell them or give them to subscribers to monetize and attract traffic. Number 2, how to study. It's useful for secular students, self-learners. Tell how to prepare for the exams, how to memorize more and better, how to read faster, and so on. Number 3, mommy channels. This theme is so broad. You can focus on moms themselves, self-care, postpartum recovery, healthy diet, home business, or on kids nursing, breastfeeding activities, education, or life hacks for mother of large families. The possibilities are endless. Number 4, fitness. Yes, there are tons of fitness videos and channels on YouTube. The trick is to niche down. Make videos for new moms or for those who don't have time for a full workout. Be creative. Number 5, meal planning. It's a part of overall planners. You can be a separate subject. Teach how to meal plan, create meal plans for children, vegans, pregnant women, large families, etc. Add recipes, prep videos, and PDF guides as a way of monetization. Number 6, organization. This one relates to planning, but it's more about getting things in order. People love to get ideas on how to organize workspace, papers and files, close a room, photos, and many more. Give useful tips or show how you do it every day. How to grow social media. Number 7. With the extreme popularity of social media for building on brand, the demand for tips on growing social channels in sky high. Picks a certain social platforms and delve into it or share hacks that work for all network. Number 8, home decor. It can be a DIY channel tips or on decorating different rooms, a review of pieces of decor from different brands, collection of curtain aesthetics, etc. Number 9, tech review. Nobody will buy a gadget without watching at least a few video reviews. If you are a tech geek or can simply explain difficult features, then start a review channel. Number 10, food. Make sure to focus on a specific diet to find your audience. It can be vegan food, keto diet, gluten-free recipes, etc. You can share recipes, make meal plans, create prep videos. Number 11. Kids meal planning. It's a part of planning that can make for an entirely separate channel. You can vary in a child age, ingredients, budget, special dietary requirement, and so on. Number 12. Cleaning. It sounds ridiculous, but people rarely filming themselves clean. Others watch such videos to get motivation and learn how to make the cleaning routine easier. You can show how to clean clothes, a bathroom, a fridge, a car, a garage, well, everything that gets dirty. Number 13. Gardening. Gardening is a passion for thousands of people. If it's you have no hobby, if you hobby to or you have special knowledge, it's a good idea to share it with the target audience. Number 14. School. Home education becomes a trend and there are so many questions about it. You can not only create videos but sell courses or offer coaching sessions. Number 15. Getting a job. Share tips on making an impressive CV and covering letter. Teach how to prepare for an interview, where to search for a dream job, or how to create a strong portfolio or films your own jobs. Instead, people always want to know what's behind the scene. Number 16. College based. Here you can tell about college rankings, exams, moving, studying, basically any damn theme that relates to a college student life will do. Number 17. Medicines. This is one more area that is becoming popular among a large audience via medicines. Guys for beginners teach how to breathe and relax, create playlist with calm. Number 18. Travel ideas on your area. Even if you don't live in a tourist paradise, there are a lot of people interested in visiting your area. Shoot your city your tour, show places that only locals know about, make review of local hotels, resorts, and places worth seeing. It's a nice opportunity because you can start from where you are without a budget. Number 19. Hobby. This might be the best one. Share your experience and step-by-step tutorial. Showcase your works, review the tools you use, set up challenge. Eventually, you can make money on teaching others. Number 20. Gaming tutorial. If you are a gamer, why not dedicate your channel to the games you play? Game streaming has a huge audience. All you need to start are just a screen recording software and a microphone. You don't even have to show your face. An option for introverts. Number 21. Historic or cool facts. If does not even require any filming, make compilation of interesting facts as a short slideshow or animation. Add your voice or only plain text. Such videos usually have a high watch time and a large audience. Number 22. Pet videos. Pets are human best friends, so it's a good idea to start a YouTube channel about your pet. First of all, everybody adores pets for their cuteness, and secondly, you have special knowledge about owning a pet and can share useful information with others. Number 24. How to. Any tutorial guides and lifehacks can make up a channel that will blow up. People love watching tutorials as YouTube is a second large search engine. They first ask there how to do anything. Make sure to create useful content and learn YouTube SEO basics to get to the top of search result. Number 25. Apps and software tutorial. With tons of apps and software, it's quite difficult to find the one that you really need, and once you finally get it, it can turn out to be complicated. to use. On the app software channel, you can make lists of helpful or useless programs of any category and show how they work. Number 26. Haul videos. You do shopping almost every day, so make double use of it. Show what is out you got in a shopping mall or online store and give recommendations. You can turn each trip to a store into a haul video. Groceries, bookstore, dollar store. Tell why you buy an item and how good or bad it is. Number 27. Transformation. People love to watch videos of anything that transforms into something better. You can stick to a specific niche, home decor, transformation, or makeup, which is a kind of transformation too, or make video about any transformation at all. Number 28. Thrift flips. These videos are very popular and have a high watch time. You can make it about clothes, decor, furniture, try to keep within a budget or make it eco-friendly. Number 29. Beauty. This theme is likely to be popular forever. Creates makeup tutorial, share beauty tips and hacks, make review of beauty products. People want to look beautiful. Shows your expertise and taste, give useful advice, connect with the audience, and the channel will skyrocket. Number 30. Weight loss. Show how you pursue your goal and inspire others. Record your workouts and main plan. Tell about your failures and motivation. Share your experience on this challenging journey. Number 31. Movie and book review. Simply and valuable. Such a channel can be both entertaining and informative. Review the latest release. Give your points of view to help your audience make a decision. Share useful information from the books and create lists. Number 32. Drone channel. Aerial video are breathtakingly beautiful and attract viewers as more value by shooting wildlife and places where no foot may treat. Don't forget to add epic music to make your video captivating you exciting. Number 33. Mental health. Millions of people experience stress every day. A channel teaching how to deal with the daily pressure and relieve from anxiety can become a helping hand. Number 34. Finance. If you have enough experience in the financial sphere, you can share your advice on money making, saving money, investment, and so on. Become an influential expert and earn on coaching. Number 25. Language. If you are teacher or have an excellent command of any language, even of your own, then start an education channel. Explain difficult things in simple words. Give poppy example. Develop your own education system. Pick an idea that will work for you or use this list as a reference to find your niche. Don't be afraid to make mistake. Only those who do nothing make no mistake.